Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable ask for pin on wake up or power on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to settings. Now we need to head over to the energy saving and privacy, and right here in the pin lock we will have the ask for pin on wake up or power on. Now if we want to disable it, then we will need to enter our current 4-digit pin. So in my case it's 1234, and after entering the correct pin, you will guys see that the check mark here disappeared and now it's disabled. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.